Nigerian Senator find am difficult to express himself during plenary. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell so e go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Nigerian Senate come dey look like Nollywood set where you dey see some comic scenes when e dey come out. Like this story when e come out now, although na video, but by YouTube rules, I no go fit put the video here. Na when the Senate President Godswill Akpabio during plenary come ask the senator when he represent Niger East, Senator Sani Musa, when he dey do in talk, say wetin he understand by harmonization. Na there Senator Musa come dey startled, he come dey struggle to define the word harmonization. And for the video clip, although brief, e no fit define the word. Na there somebody come do point of order. Then the senator come take his seat while who talk point of order dey try to explain the point of order when in talk. This situation, e don bring to the front burner again that many of our senators and even the legislators, not just only the senators, e dey House of Reps, and e also dey many of the state assemblies. They get the problem of communication because the official language for communication for our legislature na English. And English no be our mother tongue, na foreign language to us. But we don adopt English as a means of communication. So for many of our legislators, like in this case now, in this video, they no go fit understand the concept of the English when they use. And that is why when the Senate President asks the senator, say wetin e mean by harmonization, the senator e come dey struggle to explain wetin e mean. Many people don still see this one. Say many of our senators come legislators dem, e say they be illiterate, so they just get money, then they find their way allegedly through elections to go represent their people for there. They forget say na people when e get brain, not necessarily money, people when e go fit articulate the positions of things for their constituency, na im suppose to gather for Senate when e be the highest legislative organ for Nigeria. E say but like some dey talk, how can a senator when he be the chairman of a committee according to the report, e no fit explain wetin be harmonization? So then if you no fit explain the word, then how can he do the work? Some others dey say, well, that na the Nigerian problem where they dey promote mediocrity over excellence. That is why some dey say e possible. Say, well, because of the large number of illiterates in some sections of the country, na their best they will still put forward, and their best may not be the best for that kind of office. So this one go back to say these politicians then make them still they use educational qualifications. They select people when you go represent them. Somebody say, now shame be this one. He say this one it is shameful. Say at that level. But another person they say, how can somebody suggest, say the man don't know the meaning of harmonization when he be the chairman of the conference committee? He say it dey amusing. He say if you dey the Senate there, he say during the deliberation, he say you go truly understand wetin happen. He say not be this video when they cut short just to highlight a point. He say this ones na media commentators when they just dey talk to look for cheap engagement. Say Senator Musa na one of the most brilliant and intelligent legislator wey Nigeria get. Well, like we dey always dey talk, opinion e dey free. So everybody dey get their opinion. But this thing dey go down deep into even the educational system. Because like somebody dey opine here, he say wetin you expect when cut-off marks for the north e dey far below than wetin dey the south here. But in our own opinion, like I talk, opinion free, e never reach the time when the Nigerian constitution they go amend am make we dey use pidgin also as a means of communication. Must it be the English language wey many of us no sabi speak when we adopt because of our colonial leaning? Now we go still dey use for everything when we dey do. If e not possible because say Nigeria na multilingual country where different tribes and tongues dey, say we no go fit dey speak our local tongues, we no go fit still adopt the pidgin language to dey communicate so that we go fit dey pass through, because communication na both the decoder and the encoder to understand the message. E never reach for us to adopt the pidgin for communication officially for Nigeria here. Country people, how una see this development? As the question wey the Senate President ask, he throw off the senator. Although the video not conclude to show whether the man later explain wetin e mean. But the part when they want make we see, now they don't show us. And it can't be like saying another drama now it don't take place for the Senate. Wetin una get to talk about this situation? I beg make we hear you for the comment section.